This video is an update of my last video on how you can transplant your seedlings into the soil. If you haven't watched it yet, please click on the link above and do watch it. In this video, you will see the update of how my seedlings have grown and what will I do next and how they will be transplanted in bigger pots. So here is an update on my bittergourd or Karela plant. See how this has grown, and it almost has all two to three true leaves and one is on the way. And this is my cucumber plant, and cucumber is also growing well. And here I have watermelon. Some seeds have burned because of the heat, but now I'll keep them in shade for some time and then they will recover, and soon I will transplant them in bigger pots. And here I have muskmelon, and it almost have two leaves, watermelon, and so they have grown really well. Like I planted 2 seeds of watermelon and 2 seeds of muskmelon in each, and I almost have 100% germination and they are going really well. So like in almost in a week or two I'll transplant them. So this is an update of almost 10 days after I transplanted them. And here I have muskmelon and also watermelon, and they have grown really well. And here is the progress of my brinjal plant, brinjal or bangan in Hindi, and they have shown real progress to see. You can see them, they are ready to be transplanted in some bigger 1 or 2 inch bigger pots. And the bottle gourd plant is not ready to remove its covering yet. Please do let me in the comment box why it's not letting it go. And here I have almost 4 to 5 plant which I planted. This is of bottle gourd. I have lots of bottle gourd plants, and here I have bitter gourd, bottle gourd, and I think this is a seed of cucumber, and I think that is watermelon. So yes, and here are some of my okra seeds which are dead now. I think they will not revive, so there are some collateral damages, and then you learn from your mistakes. So I will take look into it and will let you know what mistake I have done. So this is guarfali or clusterbeans, and yes, they are growing well like other plants. This is sponge gourd, and as you can see it already has 2 to 3 leaves, and third leaf is on its way, and it also has a bud. So I will remove that flower bud so that plant can focus its energy on the growth and not. So these okra plants have shown some progress too, and they will be the first one to be transplanted, and in the next, like today or tomorrow, I will transplant them. So here are the okra seeds almost ready with 3 to 4 leaves, and here are a bunch of them more. So I will not tell you which plant is this. Please let me know in the comment box below. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and also click on that bell button so that you can get my latest updates. And thank you so much for watching VSP Gardens. Stay safe, stay home.